How to fix Meta Business Suite not sending messages. To quickly fix this problem, hold on to the application for some time and tap on the app info icon right over there. Now scroll down to the storage section. Sometimes outdated or corrupted temporary data can break the messaging inbox, so simply tap on the clear cache icon right over here. So after you tap on clear cache and clear your cache, simply head back and tap on force stop icon, which will be at the end right over here. Then simply close the application and close all the application from your recents. Now go to the Play Store and see if any update is available. Now simply search for the application name and tap on the application and see if any update is available. If there is an update, there will be an update icon instead of open. Make sure to tap on that, and if it is shows open, that means your app is already up to date. For future use, however, tap on the vertical dot and make sure that your enable auto update icon is turned on. So after you do that, simply get back and this will fix your problem. You may open the application. And if it still doesn't work, then sometimes it may not be on your end the problem. It may be the problem on the server side. So go to Chrome, open your Chrome browser or any browser on your device and see if the server is down or not. So you can simply search over here Meta Business Status Server. So simply hit search, then simply tap on the first website, and if there is an outages of Meta Business products, they will be shown here. And if you want to see which problem is facing any issues such as ads, API, all of this will be listed here. And if anyone shows a red icon, that means the problem is facing on their side, and if it shows green, that means you're good to go. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it useful. Then consider liking and subscribing to the channel.